test natin tong SRC Umarex na Glock 17 Gen 5 dual power. Okay, so license ni Glock with complete Glock markings, and then may MOS na siya dito, may plate, ayan, may cut ng plate dyan sa taas. So out of the box may kasama na rin siyang plates for optic attachment, and then may under rail na rin guys for accessory attachment. Glock markings kompleto, and then may serial number din, ayan. So meaning ng dual power is pwede siya sa CO2 magazine. Okay, so test natin guys. Firing 307. So guys, for more info, mag-PM kayo sa account ko, Maverick Beltran, or search nyo Mavs Airsoft sa Facebook.